Boat control. Flying flags.
Okay, they are fighting.
Oh, wow.
And that completes Brian's flight demonstration. He'll be bringing that in for very precise maneuvers. Pattern flying has been around for many years.
Up in the sky.
You will also notice that the Wicked Witch of the East has landed, and now Superman has joined the air with Bill and is flying around looking for any activity that he needs to address.
They're a little depth. Boat control. Fast.
Tucker with over 23,000 hours. He's done it. It's the red, the white O-line, and whole car experiencing 10 times of these very unique maneuvers called the forward flip. Sean D. Tucker now sets it up as he recovers the burning and set up for the Huey Loop. Recovering upright, he'll push through, and a negative G recovery. 6 outside as gravity slows him down. He comes to zero airspeed, kicks hard on the left rudder for not one, but 2 simultaneous hammerhead stall turns. Keep up with Sean. He weighs in at a mere 1,220 pounds. Very lightweight, with an almost 400 horse. Sliding around, all the way around. Give it up for Sean D. Tucker, everybody. And now
it allows us to be able to
less than 3,000 feet above hills in Tennessee. Across the plains, we stand and proud to be an American. Where is it time?
the Golden Knight. Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a unique situation. Must gain vertical separation to allow for individual approaches into the target pattern, just like you might see aircraft at a busy airport.
That would be cool.
Isn't that
cool? The space station flying over.
Awesome night here at Miramar. Fiber of my redneck bean occasionally comes out when I see Shockwave. Rob, this is just overload of horsepower.
36,000 horsepower. Those flames that are coming out the
Unreal.
back.
Look.
Shockwave.
The raw power of those three. Shockwave! The Shockwave jet truck set a Guinness Book of World Records certified speed record for a jet truck of 376 miles per hour. He won't get that fast.
But even for Shockwave, this is enough room to really get going. I mean, Chris is going to light this thing off here in a few seconds. And Rocket, we'll see him run it up here. He's just 20 minutes right now. So what do you think his neighbors think of this? Unreal. Chris Darnell, one of the good guys in the business, following in his father's footsteps, a motorsport.
Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, man. He's going to come right out the end. I hope you're getting pictures of that, folks. And let me just ask you this. Since I don't get good pictures, I would be thrilled if put some on my Facebook page.